Here we have the label of a drug, so we should investigate that and see that it's an injection and there is 300 milligrams per 2 mils. That's the first concentration we see there, but we also see on the bottom 150 milligram per mil, which is actually that there is an invisible 1 mil here, and whenever we say per mil per each 1 mil, it's actually exactly the same as the concentration on the top, except that it's been halved. So it doesn't matter which one we use. Probably the best would be to use the simplified one, 150 milligrams per mil, just for the sake of doing less calculations. So 150 milligrams per mil, meaning per 1 mil. These are the two quantities connected as a ratio, so this is our have, or one of those quantities will act as our have. Now we need to find our want. In the question is just asking what volume of the drug will be administering for each dose. So it's in the chart that we see the quantity the patient needs. Drug, dose, and directions. So 240 milligrams every 6 hours or 6 hourly is how we should give this drug. So let's say this is our want. If we are using our formula, we're going to do want over have times the third quantity. Many times that third quantity is the volume. In this case, the want will be 240 milligrams over or divided by our have. So now we need to choose between 150 milligrams or 1 mil. In this case, we need to go with the 150 milligrams simply because we want to match top and bottom of this fraction. So what has happened so far? We used the 240 milligrams, we used the 150 milligrams. That means that the third quantity we multiply by is the 1 mil, which in this case is indeed the volume. So do some estimation here. 240, make it 250 or even just 200. Just do a quick mental calc, or even simplify those zeros, maybe dividing top and bottom by 10. So 24 and 15, does 15 go into 24 twice? 2 15s would be 30, so no, it doesn't. So it will be 1 point something times 1, so we are expecting less than 2 for our answer. So if we do the calculation, so 24 divided by 15 times 1, 1.6. And now we see that the milligrams cancel out and the only unit left is the mils, which is our answer. So what was the estimate? We said less than 2 mils because 15 doesn't go into 24 twice, it goes less. So 1.6 mils. Read the question again. What volume will you administer for each dose? 1.6 mils. We are all good, and this is going to happen per dose every 6 hours.